after the disaster of my bird bath falling over, and my having to dig out that Rubbermaid thing, I think I finally have it. I've got this sitting up on blocks that were there, and it fits beautifully into the hole of the milk can. I had it over where I put my geraniums, but it's too much sun over there. These are succulents, and it's just too much sun over there. So they now have found a home here. And the geraniums are over there. I'm going to have to dig in the table legs so that they're not on an angle. But that's for tomorrow morning because I can't do that today. My bender is broken. So that's how it looks. Let's see if I can. There we go. And I'm looking into the sun kind of, so it's not great. But yes, that'll be nice. And it's just a matter of getting my patio done. And I have a little girl that wants to work for money this weekend, so I should have her, she should be pulling out the grasses and the weeds. And then I'm going to finish trimming up my iberis. I started doing that already. And trim this side too. And then we'll look nice. Nice and presentable. Over and out from Lynn's Garden in Port Orchard, Washington.